Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Bookish J. Lee, and I'm bringing to you my Hobonichi Techo 2017. This is my first unboxing, and I'm so excited to see how everything turns out, so let's get started. So when you first open it, there are some beautiful words that are located on the front of the box. I'm not exactly sure what it says, but with this brochure, I'm pretty sure it's for animal lovers. I'm gonna check that out. And here we go. I actually ordered just one, but apparently he gave me two. They're so cute. I use one for journaling and then one for art journaling, but this is the Hobonichi Techo planner. This is also the English version. It's so cute. It has the Japanese writing on it, and also has the 2017 right here. Oh, it's so cute. And then also have two pens, and it comes with the toast plates. I love them. I cannot wait to try these pens out. I heard so many good things about the uni pens. I heard they work really well. And then, excuse me, this lovely beauty right here. This is the cherry pink, I believe, cover. Open this up. So pretty. Oh, and it's like a coral peachy color on the inside. I love that. It's like my two favorite colors all in one. And then it comes with the little pouches on the side where you can put stuff in. And then some other pockets here. Beautiful bookmark. This one here. Notebook. Sorry, planner. Slide this in the back. Take this side. Kind of bump it up a little bit. Nice. I like it. This is something that's new. I've always journaled, but I told myself that I would do something different. And I found out about Hobonichi about a year ago. Oh, and it comes with a zipper pouch. Nice. Yeah, I found out about Hobonichi about a year ago, and I finally decided to give it a shot. So I'm really excited to see how this turns out. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.